What's up there, traders? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the next part of the My Forex Funds challenge. We're on GJ today and we've got something lining up, so let's get onto the charts and take a look. Alright then guys, so jumping onto the charts here, and what we got is a potential 1 hour setup, okay? Really nice looking potential setup here. Basically, we've had a breakout of this area here, okay, this line here. Price is pushed down and created a nice looking piece of price action. We've got a big impulse down, okay, we've got this candle here which paused and closed bullish. We then had this 1 hour candle which came down and broke this candle's low while respecting the candle's high, indicating that downward momentum is still happening. Okay, we've also got a demand zone down here, okay, which is inside a previous day's, this is Friday's Asia range. Now, what I'm going to do is take a sell here, and we're just going to get this up on the chart, and we're going to go for still hovering in a nice area. So what it's going to look like, it's going to look a little something like this. Stop above the previous candle high, 30 pip target. Okay, and what we're going to do then is go down to the lower time frames, and we're going to have our stop above the candle which broke the previous candle's low, which is this one here. This candle here broke this low, so we're going to go for our stop here, and that is a 1 to 2. All right, so we're going to go for a 50-cent lot here, and I'm going to get this on and I'll be back in 2 moments. Alright then guys, so I'm going to put this up on the screen now. You can see that we have entered the market. Okay, we're actually pushing into a bit of profit. We actually entered a little bit higher than I originally thought as price had pushed up here. So if we're looking at what we have here, basically now we've got stop loss above the previous 30-minute candle high, which is basically marked out by the candle which broke that candle's low. Okay, now we could potentially put it on the break this candle's high here, which would obviously give us a nice bit of coverage, because that's only then going to be risking 7 pips instead of 7.2. So actually I'm going to do that now, because if we look at price pushing down like that, we will make that happen now. So I'm just going to go to already $16 in profit, which is fantastic. So this is going to be, if we can stay in the right direction here, this is going to be a very nice trade. 174747. Modify 174747. Lovely. Okay, this is nice. If you see, this price is pushing down really quite dramatically now, about $25 in profit. All right, 335. Okay. Brilliant. So we can see that this hour candle here has flipped bearish, okay, breaking this candle's low after this nice price action, and we're now traveling down towards this demand zone down here. Now what I might do is take a first TP at the zone here. We're currently $30 in profit, which is fantastic. So we're just gonna have to wait, see how this goes, and I'll come back when we've got some more information, hopefully with price somewhere down here. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright then guys, so we had a nice push down here. Price is pushed into the zone quite dramatically. We're having a bit of a push back up. I couldn't get record on quick enough. I would have actually liked to have taken first TP down at this point, but we've obviously missed that, and we're pushing back up. Currently $46, $47 in profit around this mark. So obviously we're probably going to, if we do get down to full TP, which we're probably going to take partials before we do that, then that would mean that we will be around $100 trade here, which would obviously be fantastic. We're currently up to $185-ish on the account, which is making up for the losses we made the other day, and getting back up to that peak point of where we were at 222. So we've got 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, and 15 minutes left on this one here. Ideally, as I said, I'd like to see price come down to this demand zone. You can see from this blue candle here, we've had strong buying pressure. So this is an area of interest, which is at the beginning of Friday's Asia session as well, which I went down to the lower time frames, and as you can see on the 15-minute chart, I've marked out the fair value gaps there. So ideally, we'd like to see price come down and fill these fair value gaps into the zone. It's a shame I didn't get the chance to take that that first TP down there, because we are pushing back up now, but we are just probably having a pullback, which is a standard thing. So we're still in the trade, we're still running, and we'll come back in a bit, and hopefully we do get down there. I'm going to actually put a couple of alerts now, so I am alerted a little quicker. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we've had a bit of a push down. I'm going to take 80% there because we pushed down quite nicely, and we're getting that new 15-minute candle would have opened now. Oh, look at that. Yes, come on. We'll take that. 45 cents gone from there. That is a nice 59.99 booked in there, which is a great number. And I'm going to bring stop loss now to break even. 672. And we let the runner run. Beautiful. So that locks us back into $197.25, which takes us back towards that area that we were at with before, which was $222. So we're actually with the current runner, which is around $6.38. I'll put this on the screen right now for you. We have $203 in the bank. So if we do get down to our full TP, we're looking at probably about $12 or so. What I'm going to do, instead of have TP down here at break even, I'm actually going to bring it above, just above this high here. So that is 585, because then we're just going to lock in a little bit of profit. Even if we do decide to turn around and go back up, we're going to get maybe $2 or $3 in the bag on top of that, which is better than not. So fantastic result there, and very happy with that. So let's see how this runner goes. If we get stopped out, we don't mind. See you in a bit. Either guys, and we actually got stopped out by either guys. So our runner actually got triggered just here for an extra, I think it was like $4 or something. $3.12, which gives us a profit of $61.61 and brings our total back up to $200.22 on the challenge, which is very good. So I'm very happy with that. Maybe the runner was taken out a little bit too early, but it is quite towards the end of the day. It's 4:30, so I'm very happy with what we managed to catch there. I wasn't able to be on the charts this morning because I was so busy, and there was so many setups this morning. It was unbelievable across the board on all of my watch lists, and even on some of the other pairs that I trade from time to time. So yeah, definitely looking forward to tomorrow and getting another setup and using this new risk management situation, which I have been implementing and testing for the last week or so, and well, testing for a lot longer, but implementing for the last week, and it's been going very well. So looking forward to that. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. There's lots more videos like this and other types of content coming very soon. Check out our website. We have our clothing launch very, very soon, and other things like that. So go check that out, and I'll see you in a bit. Peace.